Pamela bought an electric drill at 85% of the regular price. She paid $32.89 for the drill. What was the regular price? Give your answer up to 2 decimal places. So she bought this drill that was on sale for 85% of its regular price. So we don't know what the regular price is, and for the time being we're going to assume that the regular price was X dollars. She bought it for 85% of X, and the amount that she bought it for is bought for equals $32.89. Now if I compile all this data in the form of an expression or an equation, what I should get is 85% of X is the amount that she paid, and that amount in dollars comes out to be 32.89. Now this gives us a very clear picture of what happened, and it makes it a lot easier for us to solve this mathematically and get to an answer. So what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to find this regular price. I've written time here for some reason. I'll change it back to regular price. So the regular price, there you go, regular price was X dollars. She bought it for 85% of that price, and she paid $32.89. We have this whole picture right in front of us in form of an equation. So let's solve it and find out the value of X. So I can write this piece of information down as 85 over 100, which really means that we're finding out 85 out of 100 parts of this total amount that we don't know yet, multiplied by X equals 32.89. Now when we're working through a solution, we can do without writing the currency signs and this English notation. So 85 over 100 multiplied by X gives us 32.89. Now if I multiply both of them, what I get, and by both of them I mean both of these, and since there's no denominator below below X, I'm going to add 1 as the denominator. Now multiplying these together gives me 85X over 100. So we multiply 85 with X, so numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, and that leaves us with 85X over 100, which equals to 32.89. Now since there is this equals to sign in between and we don't have anything else, we can cross multiply, and that should give us 85X equals to 32.89 multiplied by 100. 85X equals to 3289. Since we're multiplying it by 100, the decimal point is going to move towards the right, and since there are 2 zeros, it moves to 2 places towards the right, and it ends up right after 9. So we don't really have to add a decimal number here, since we don't have any other number following 9. Now 85 and X are being multiplied, so if I shift one of these to the other side of the equals to sign, it's going to be divided by this number right here. So X equals to 3289, and I shift 85 down here, and that gives me 3289 divided by 85. I am using a calculator, and so should you. Let's save time and make sure that the answers that we're getting are accurate. So 3289 over 85, that comes out to be around 38.694. But since we're supposed to give an answer up to 2 decimal places, we can do without this 4 at the end. And since this number is less than 5, we're not really going to round off any of these numbers, so we just remove the 4 at the end, and what we get is $38.69, of course. So what was the regular price? The regular price was $38.69.